If you have a variable speed blower motor on your HVAC system, troubleshooting does differ and requires checking communication signals and low voltage inputs rather than only simple on-off power checks. Start by confirming basic power and safety first by turning the system off at the breaker and verifying line voltage at the motor terminals with a non-contact tester. Next, restore power and measure for 24 volts at the furnace control board, low voltage terminals that feed the fan relay and motor control. Variable speed motors often rely on a control signal rather than a single hot and neutral. Inspect any separate motor control module or integrated drive and look for status lights or diagnostic codes. Many modules blink specific patterns to indicate faults, so note blink rates and consult the motor documentation. If your system uses a communication terminal such as a pulse width modulation or proprietary data link, check that the wiring is correct and securely connected and that there is continuity from the control board to the motor. A break or high resistance will prevent the motor from receiving speed commands. When testing while running, listen for abnormal noises and feel for excessive vibration, which can indicate mechanical binding, bearing failure, or a misaligned blower wheel that needs balancing or replacement. Keep in mind that replacement parts must match the motor control parameters, so copy the motor model and control module part numbers before ordering components. Common mistakes include treating a variable speed motor like a standard permanent split capacitor motor and replacing the capacitor without checking the control signals. Instead, verify control voltage and communication first. Another issue is ignoring the motor module diagnostics or not documenting blink codes. Take notes and photograph the indicators, then consult the manufacturer chart for accurate guidance. The third frequent problem is assuming wiring is correct after a service without testing continuity and voltage under load. Always verify 24 volts at the board, continuity on communication pairs, and measure current draw against the motor nameplate to confirm proper operation. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like HVAC motor diagnostics and replacements. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot real-world issues together.